Hey guys, did you know there's a reset trick that mechanics absolutely hate when you figure it out? Why? Because it can fix up to 90% of common car problems completely free. No tools, no parts, and definitely no $800 garage bill. Yeah, this isn't a gimmick. It's a real reset method that professional technicians use every single day, but they'll never tell you about it because every time you reset it yourself, they lose another paid appointment. So if you've ever seen that annoying check engine light, felt your car jerk, or heard weird noises, and the shop just keeps shouting outrageous prices, then congratulations, you're about to learn the secret they don't want you to know. Grab the steering wheel tight, because by the end of this video, you lines know how to reset the brain of your car and make it drive like new again. Part 1. Why modern cars get confused now. You'd think modern cars would break down less, right? Surprisingly, it's the opposite. One day the check engine light pops on, the car vibrates, and acceleration feels jerky. You think, oh no, transmission, electronics. But hold up, don't go replacing parts just yet. Your car might not be broken at all. It's just confused. Today's cars are computers on wheels, filled with sensors measuring air, throttle, fuel, even how you press the brakes. But if one sensor misreads, loses power, or you change the battery without a reset, the system starts thinking something's wrong. So, when your car jerks, idles rough, or shows random warning lights, it's often not a bad part, it's bad data. And one proper reset can wake the system back up, clear out the confusion, and make it run smooth again, like nothing ever happened. Part 2. The laptop analogy. Think of your car like a laptop. Over time, data builds up, things lag, software freezes. What do? That's right, you restart it. Cars work the same way. A reset clears out junk data so the computer starts fresh, learning from what's happening now, not what happened last week. That's why most car issues can be fixed without replacing a single sensor. Part 3. The battery disconnect reset. Let's start with the most powerful reset, the battery disconnect. It's like rebooting your Wi-Fi router when the internet's acting up. Here's how you do it. Turn off the engine and remove the key or press start, stop if it's push button. Using a 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal, that's the black cable. Make sure it's the negative one. Press and hold the brake pedal for about 30 seconds. This drains any leftover electricity. Wait about 10 minutes. Reconnect the cable. You might lose radio presets or clock settings, but in exchange, your car's central computer fully reboots and forgets all the bad data. It's super effective after changing the battery, replacing a sensor, or if your car's acting weird for no reason. One reset, and most problems are gone. Part 4. Fuse box reset. The surgical way. If you don't want to reset the whole car, you can reset just one system. This is called a fuse pull reset. Inside the fuse box, usually under the dash or in the engine bay, each fuse controls one part of the car. For example, ECU gives engine computer, TCM gives transmission, BCM gives body control, windows, locks, lights. If, after an oil change, your transmission feels harsh, try pulling the TCM fuse, wait about 5 to 10 minutes, plug it back in, boom. The transmission forgets the old data and relearns smooth shifting from scratch. No software, no dealer visit, just you, a fuse puller, and 5 minutes. Part 5. The throttle pedal dance reset. Here's the coolest one. No tools, no hood opening, just your right foot. It's called the pedal dance reset, and it teaches your throttle body and transmission to behave like new. Ready? Key on. Don't start the engine. Wait 3 seconds. Press and release the gas pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. Wait 7 seconds. Press and hold the pedal for 15 seconds. Start the engine, and let it idle for a few minutes. That's it, you just erased all old throttle and shift data. Your car relearns fresh acceleration response, no jerks, no hesitation, no expensive diagnostics. It works on most Nissan, Toyota, GM, and BMW cars. Part 6. Use an OBD to scanner. The $20 game changer. Now, if you're serious about saving money, get yourself an OBD to scanner. It's a tiny plug that connects under your steering wheel. Use your phone or the built-in display to scan error codes, clear warnings, and check live data like fuel use, RPM, and temperature. Next time the check engine light turns on, don't panic. Plug in your scanner, read the code, clear it. If it doesn't come back after driving a few miles, problem solved. If it does, at least you know exactly what's wrong. No guessing, no fear. No $200 inspection. Part 7. The Hard Reset Combo. Here's the ultimate reboot, the Hard Reset Combo. This clears every module in the car. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Pull the ECU, PCM, and TCM fuses. Wait about 30 minutes, plug everything back in. Start the car and let it idle for 5 minutes, AC off. Then, turn on the AC and idle another 5 minutes. Finally, take a gentle drive so the system can relearn your driving style. This clears temporary ECU faults, resets the transmission, and improves both performance and fuel economy. After any major repair, always do this combo. Part 8. Bonus -9 Essential Resets. Mechanics won't tell you. Here's the part mechanics really hate, because these quick resets fix most everyday annoyances for free. TPMS reset. Light on. Inflate all tires properly. Hold the TPMS button until it flashes 3 times, then drive above 10 miles per hour. AC reset. One side cooled, the other hot. Hold recirculation plus defrost for 10 seconds. Steering angle sensor. After a battery change, turn the wheel left, right, and center, then drive straight to recalibrate. Transmission memory. Key on gives floor the gas for 10 seconds, gives key off, gives wait 2 minutes, gives start engine. Infotainment reset. Screen frozen. Hold power or mute for 15 seconds. Some systems have a tiny RST hole, press it gently. Bluetooth reset. Delete pairing on both the phone and car, gives restart, both gives reconnect from the car side. Key fob program. Insert key, gives turn off F2 on several times until you hear a chime, gives press a button on the fob, gives done. Auto window reset. Hold the switch 5 seconds down, then 5 seconds up, teaches the module the window's full range. Sunroof reset. Hold the tilt up button for 10+ seconds until it cycles open and close. Each one of these saves you anywhere from $50 to $200 and takes just a few minutes. Part 9. The Smart Driver Mindset. Here's the truth. Your car isn't magic, it's a computer. And computers glitch, so remember this. Reset first, repair later. If a warning light doesn't come back after a reset, it was just a glitch. If it does come back, now you know what really needs fixing. Keep a small reset logbook. Write the date, what you reset, and what changed. It helps diagnose faster and even boosts resale value, because buyers see you care. Final words. You're no longer just a driver, you're the one teaching your car how to behave properly. Warning light on, don't panic. Don't grab your wallet. Reset smart. Drive smarter. And if this video saved you a few $100, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's still getting scared by a blinking check engine light.